Welcome to The Explainer. Look, if you're a real estate agent, you know that generating new business is, well, everything. So today we're going to break down the playbook for an open house that does way more than just show off a property. It's designed to build your client list.
All right, let's just jump right in. Why are we so focused on open houses, especially if you're kind of new to the game? It's simple, really. They are, without a doubt, one of the most powerful ways to get leads without a giant budget. Yeah, they cost you some time, but the potential payoff in new clients, it's just massive.
So, here's how we've laid this all out for you. Think of it like a chronological playbook. We're going to start with the why, and then walk you step by step all the way to pulling off a flawless, pro-level open house.
Okay, first things first. Section 1, the value of open houses. Why even bother perfecting your strategy? Well, it all boils down to one thing, an incredible return on your investment. And I'm not just talking about money.
And this chart right here, it says it all. The actual financial cost is super low. You know, some printing, maybe a few snacks. But the impact, the client generation, it's through the roof. We're talking face-to-face connections with people who are actively looking to buy.
All right, moving on to the prep work. You know those events that just feel effortless? Yeah, they don't just happen by magic. It's all about having a rock-solid plan. So let's break down the timeline and see how you build up to the big day. Okay, you've got to start your prep a full week out. And look, this isn't just a random to-do list. It's a real strategy. You create your marketing stuff early, then you strategically drip it out online to build buzz. That way, you're creating anticipation, not a last-minute panic for yourself.
Section 3, materials and staging. This is crucial. Let's talk about your on-site toolkit, which you physically need to have ready to go when people start walking in. This is where you stop being just a host and become an invaluable resource.
Look, anybody can print out a basic property flyer. You need to do more. You've got to provide real, tangible value. We're talking lender rate sheets, info about the neighborhood, stuff that screams, I'm an expert. Oh, and that last point on the list, the visitor card, trust me, it's a total game changer.
I'm serious. It is time to throw that old-school sign-in sheet in the trash. You know the one. People scribble down fake info, you can't read the handwriting, and at the end of the day, you have no idea who was who. The visitor card, on the other hand, completely flips the script. It turns passive data collection into active, meaningful engagement.
And this little card isn't just about snagging an email. It's a tool. It's a conversation starter. It gives you these key qualifying questions right up front, which is gold for your follow-up. Plus, it helps you remember, oh yeah, that was the couple looking to move in the next 3 months. It's a memory aid. And hey, let's not forget the little things, because they make a huge difference. We're talking shoe covers. It's a small thing, but it shows so much respect for the seller's home. And putting a little chair next to the basket, that's a pro move. It's a thoughtful touch that just elevates the whole experience for everyone.
All right, it's game day. The signs are up, your materials are ready. Let's talk execution. We're going to walk through the setup that creates that perfect, welcoming vibe the second people walk through the door.
This routine, the hour before you open, it is absolutely critical. And it's not just about checking boxes. It's about creating a vibe. You turn on every single light, open all the blinds. You want this place to feel bright and alive. And please, put on some soft background music. It gets rid of that awkward library silence and just makes everyone feel way more comfortable.
Now, this is maybe the most important part of the whole day. Do not follow people around. Seriously, your job is not to be a tour guide. Think about how uncomfortable it is when an agent is just hovering over your shoulder in every single room. Just let them breathe. Let them check the place out and talk to each other.
Here's the new role you're going to play. You greet them, you're warm, you hand them the visitor card, and you simply say, take a look around and I'd love to chat with you after you're done. See? The pressure is just gone. For everybody, it positions you as a helpful resource, not a pushy salesperson. And believe me, they will be so much more willing to actually talk to you.
Okay, you've got the basics locked down. Now let's get into the fun stuff. Section 5, a few pro tips to take this whole thing to the next level. These can seriously boost your traffic, and they cost you basically nothing but a little bit of smart effort.
Okay, these two strategies right here, they're pure gold. First, door knocking the neighborhood and inviting them to a neighbors-only preview, it makes them feel special, like VIPs, and it's an amazing way to find your next seller.
Then, going live on Instagram or Facebook right before you open, that creates instant buzz and urgency. You'll pull people in who just happen to be scrolling. And now for what might be the most counterintuitive, but maybe the most powerful tip of all. It's all about scheduling.
Okay, listen up. Resist the urge to do a 3 or 4 hour marathon open house. Keep it to 2 hours. Why? Because a shorter window creates buzz. It creates urgency. It makes it way more likely that you'll have multiple groups of people in the house at the same time. And what does that do? It creates social proof that this is a hot property. It's better for you, and it's definitely better for your seller.
So let's wrap this up. An open house is so much more than just opening a door and hoping people show up. It's a strategic event designed to build your business. You've got the playbook now. So the only question left is, are you ready to make your next open house absolutely epic? Thanks for tuning in.